What's up, y'all? Trucker's Life, and I'm back, baby. Doing something pretty simple tonight, y'all. I'm doing shrimp tacos with the lime cilantro rice. Check me out. I ain't used that one in a long time. Just started like the other rice. Water. Trash. And then put a little bit of caldo de pollo. Just a little bit, just to give it a little contrast to the lime and cilantro. Some lime juice, organic lime juice. I'm gonna put a lot of this in there because I want to actually have lime flavor in it. And because I couldn't find any actual cilantro, I'm using the organic cilantro flakes from Sprouts. Let me take this damn thing off. There we go. Ooh, that is cilantro. Ooh. I know that was stupid, but yeah. You can smell the cilantro. Cilantro. Grab my butter knife. I know I should have that ready, but it's right there, so it's fine. Of course, I gotta spill it like an idiot. It's fine, I just wipe it up. It ain't gonna change nothing. Not enough came out for it to really do anything. Just mixed it up a little bit more. There's trash, another trash bag. Okay. Yeah, a little blunder at the beginning. I'm used to it. There we go. The rice, of course, is jasmine rice. Only rice I use. And of course, my Argentinian red shrimp. Yeah, I know I love my shrimp. Shrimp tacos. Haven't had them in a long time. Well, might work to plug it in, huh? Might work to plug the pot in. And then put the lid on. And then we're gonna let that cook. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna do for the next, like, maybe 30 minutes. I'm getting unloaded. Well, wait for him to start unloading me. But I'll be back. All right, I'm back. We got the shrimp. Put it on the frying pan to help thaw it out a little faster. And then I'm about to season it. Season this up real quick after I get this water out of here. There we go. There's really not that much water in here. Okay, so look it. We're just gonna do it like this. We're just gonna keep it pushing. I left my knife in my fridge. I had to grab it, but I can't get up because the cord's in front of me. Put some butter in here. Yeah, I'm still getting unloaded. It's gonna be a couple hours at least. Put some cilantro. Onion powder. Garlic, ajo, just a little bit. You don't want the garlic to overpower the shrimp. And grab a can opener. Open up these green chilies. Gotta love green chilies. If you don't love green chili, I don't know what's wrong with you. There we go. Now I don't want all that juice. There we go. And I'm still going to use more for the tacos. Lime. Get a amount of lime juice in there. Of course, we need some salt and pepper. Just a little bit. There we go. And a little bit of powder. Pepper. Why do I always say powder? There we go. That's why I be sneezing, because this stuff be shooting in the air when I close it, because I get the real fine. And just cover it up. And mix it around a little bit first. Told you. Now we're just going to cover it and let it cook. You feel me? Cover it, let it cook. It's going to take some time because the pan ain't even heated up all the way. I'm going to get to playing my Madden, and I'll be back. Oh, I'm back, baby. Just an ugly fat boy trying to look nice sometimes. You feel me? We got this cheese right here, y'all. This cheese is a local cheese to Utah. Every time I come out here, I get some. Because I can't just stock up on a whole bunch of cheese. I still need my meats and stuff. Grab a handful of this. See, this is from the creamery in Utah. This is a assorted cheese medley. It has cheddar, Kobe, Monterey Jack, jalapeno Jack, and Gouda. Yes, it's okay. Shoot me. It's a bougie blend, I guess you could call it. But guess what? I don't give a fuck. I don't want to use too much. I like this cheese. It's got a good flavor. And I'm just going to cut it up. I'm just going to stack them up. I don't feel like going through the hassle. Just cut one at a time. Turn it. Yes, I'm doing it lazy. I don't care. Sue me. Oh, wait, you can't sue me for chopping cheese. Hey, y'all, let's continue to grow this channel, y'all. We didn't hit a stalemate at 130 something. Come on, y'all. I know y'all know more people. Shrimp tacos is what's for dinner, y'all. Okay, put this cheese right here. Grab another plate. Okay, it's time to plate it up. Put the tie over. There we go. Grab a couple tortillas out. Tortillas. A couple tortillas. I'm sorry, Miss Sauce, for saying it like that if you're watching. Grab this right here. Might help to have a spoon, huh? Fork will work. Then do need a spoon for the crema sucre. And I just want y'all to know, when I joke with Spanish, it actually is a passion of mine. I love the Hispanic heritage. I love the language. I actually studied it for 6 years. Not very many people know that. I studied it in high school and in college. Yeah, it's gonna be a real shrimpy taco. Gonna be fire. And I ain't ate nothing today, so I'm hungry. I ordered some tacos from a truck stop, or from a Mexican store, or Mexican restaurant in the truck stop earlier. The tacos were garbage. So I decided, you know what? I'll put them to shame and make my own. Like, they were really disgusting. They put meat and pico de gallo on them, on a corn tortilla, and the corn tortilla was raw. It was fucking gross. Grab some more of these green chilies. Oh, you know, I'll put that on top. Grab this crema. Yeah, I know I like the Mexican crema, but I couldn't get nowhere that had it. Because at first I was just going to do like a meatloaf or something like that. Oh, and stay tuned. Tomorrow I'm actually doing a lobster roll. Okay. So, you know what? I'll put the cheese first. Sorry, I know I'm indecisive. Big ass tortillas. I do not think they're as big. Put that back over here. Put the crema on there. Sprinkle them on there. Spread them out because they kind of come out in clumps. Or maybe I just need to do less at a time. There we go. I know, like I told you, I don't have any fresh cilantro, so this is gonna have to work. There we go. Some lime juice. And some jalapeno sauce. Oh, hell. Tried to open it without peeling it. And yes, this is a hot one. Shrimp tacos, y'all. There we go. And there we go. Now what we do is we fold them up, move them to the side. So I still got to scoop my rice. And my rice is right here. Damn it. I'll just just grab another spoon real quick. Sorry, I know this is taking a long. Y'all know I like my food to plate it good. Mix this rice around. Mix it around a little bit. There we go. There we go. There's the lime cilantro rice. Good job. Open that up a little bit and show y'all what we working with, y'all. Y'all ready? Bow. Yes, ma'am. And yes, sir. Shrimp tacos with lime cilantro rice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is what we're doing. This is what we're doing. This is what we're doing, y'all. Well, it's time for me to eat. So guess what? I'll let y'all. Stay peaceful. Stay lovely. Cowboys Nation. Truckers.